Hey there, how's it going? Today we'll go ahead and look at addition of two matrices in Python, okay? So basically to add two matrices, you need to have the same number of columns and rows. Now, we'll go ahead and say A, which is the first matrix, and I'm going to open the square brackets for you. Another, so that we can go ahead and define the first row, okay? And just going to give it a comma here and have the second row. Yeah, I'm right, yeah, it's second row. So here we have the first matrix in just 3 seconds. Yeah, of course, it's going to depend on the size of the matrix. And here, let's take in B, which is the name of the second matrix. And here, let's say 1 and 2. Here, it's going to be 3 and 4. Always try to keep things as simple as possible, as I'm doing here. Okay. And now we need a result. So we'll say R. Okay, let's let that be in capital letter. R equals same thing, but we're going to initialize with 0. Okay. And here too. Cool. Now let's go ahead and make use of the for loop for I in range. Range is a function. It's a built-in function in Python. Okay. Length of the first matrix. And we come inside the for loop. And let's say for j in range. Again, we're going to make use of the range function here. Len of it's okay. Let me get in the braces. A of 0. Okay. So the second for loop it's going to be 2 because length of A that is first matrix. First row 0 refers to first row, so it's going to be 2, 1 and 2 as you can see up. Cool. Now let's give it a colon here. And here we'll say this is where things get even simpler. Okay, Python is a very easy language to code. All right, so we can say R. So we can say I, that is 0 here. Of course, it's going to start from 0. So we can say R phi of j. So this indicates first row, first element. Okay, and we're going to say equals. It's going to be pretty simple, Yeah, and same thing over here too. Just follow these steps and you'll get the result. Okay. And here we'll say B, same thing applies here. It's not rocket science. Yeah, kind of cool. Okay. Now here we need to go ahead and traverse because R is also list. For that we'll say for, and let's say row in R. What am I typing here? Alright, yeah, cool. Okay, and we'll say print row. Ooh, it's the most exciting part of this video is to get it out, but okay, so we'll say run. It's worked. Okay, so as you can see, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4 is what you're going to get right here. I hope you've liked this video. If so, go ahead and drop a like and also subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.